Ozone layer protects life on Earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. Post-industrialization, indiscriminate use of ozone-depleting substances like chlorofluorocarbons, halogens, and carbon tetrachloride caused the thinning of this life-saving layer. It was on September 16, 1987 that countries signed the Montreal Protocol on discouraging the use of substances that deplete the ozone layer. The day is an important occasion to raise awareness about the need to preserve the ozone layer. In Delhi, children from different schools participated in an exhibition on the science of ozone layer and its importance to save life on Earth. The Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, interacted with the students and emphasized on preserving this nature's shield that protects life on Earth.
ओजोन डे एक महत्वपूर्ण दिवस है क्योंकि जैसे माँ अपने बच्चों को एक दुलाई देती है, एक रजाई देती है और वो उनको प्रोटेक्शन का लगता है कि मेरे लिए कवच है, और वैसे ही ईश्वर ने पृथ्वी को एक संरक्षण दुलाई दी है, उसका नाम है ओजोन लेयर। वो रजाई दी है, वो चादर दी है, वो एक ब्लैंकेट दिया है, वही है ओजोन लेयर। और वो उसका रक्षण करना ये हमारा काम है। उसका रक्षण होगा तो हमारा रक्षण होगा। अगर उसको छेद पड़ेंगे पोल्यूशन के कारण तो फिर बिखर जाएगी दुनिया।
India has been following the Vienna Convention and Montreal Protocol for the protection of the ozone layer. India has already phased out most of the ozone-depleting substances like chlorofluorocarbons, halogens and carbon tetrachloride. International Ozone Day is an occasion for our renewed expression of solidarity with the international community to create awareness on the adverse impact of the ozone layer depletion. With Manjeet Thakur, Rohan Singh, DD News, Delhi.